what a first half this has been, with both teams playing with such aggression. Atencio makes a pass towards Salcido. This could be the moment that defines the season.
Sometimes in life, it's hard to score a strong connection. Luckily, the BlackVue DR770X LTE dashcam was designed with built-in LTE to ensure that keeping you and your dashcam connected is a breeze. The constant LTE connectivity means that you can enjoy the benefits of BlackVue's parking mode, as well as BlackVue's cloud features such as event notifications and live event upload. And with seamless pairing, setting up your dashcam is easier than ever before. No need for passwords or scanning QR codes. The DR770X also doubles as a Wi-Fi hotspot for up to 5 devices, allowing passengers to hop online from your dashcam while on the go. BlackVue DR770X LTE, ultimate HD dashcam protection with reliable LTE connectivity. Find yours at BlackVue.com.